So hi guys, another day. Look at that, it's beautiful. Oh wow. Back onto the land today, to water, because it's been absolutely boiling hot and someone's definitely visiting me. There's definitely someone over here who likes my tomato bed. And look, there's some strawberries over here. Yes. And some more tomatoes for today. But look at that view. Oh, sorry, I'm having a little moment. But yes, I drove onto the land with a car, and this is how I water. This over there is full of water, but every time when I come, I bring some more water. But yes, the trees, they're doing okay. Let's see, there you go, there's someone else. I think I've got a few bunnies over here who like my plants. But yeah, it's time to start watering before everything goes dark. And I definitely don't want to get stuck over here, because once the sun sets, the grass all gets like covered with moisture. So I don't want to get stuck over here. But yes, little update of the land. So I'll see you guys soon again. Bye.